Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing Trojanbot with Photon. So which one is better for trading 100x meme coins? This is what we will be trying to find out in this video. But before we get started, please remember that trading meme coins can be highly volatile and risky. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. So if you find this video helpful, check out the link in the description below for more resources. Now I have created this table for you so that you could understand the differences between both of these very clearly. First, if we talk about the platform, so Photon is a Solana focused standalone platform, whereas Trojanbot is Telegram based that is used for Solana trading. If we talk about the key features with Photon Sol, you will get simple user interface, access to Solana tokens, basic charts and analytics. In Trojanbot, you will get advanced orders, DCA, copy trading, Ethereum, Solana cross-chain bridge option as well. If we talk about the pros of Photon Sol, it is beginner friendly, direct access to Solana tokens and easy to use layout. For Trojanbot, you will get fast execution, automated options and cross-chain bridges. If we talk about the cons, you will get it limited to Solana and lacks multi-chain or advanced analytics, whereas with Trojanbot you will get Telegram only access, which may limit the user experience. So Photon Sol is ideal for beginners who are exploring Solana ecosystem, whereas Trojanbot is for the traders seeking speed, automation, and cross-chain capabilities. Again, in a nutshell, if you are new to Solana trading and prefer a straightforward platform, Photon Sol is a good choice due to its simplicity and focus on Solana tokens. However, if you are an experienced trader seeking advanced tools, automation, and cross-chain capabilities, Trojanbot stands out for its rapid execution and robust features, especially useful for managing trades on both Solana and Ethereum. So which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to check out both of these, I will put the link of them down in the description. So do check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.